Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need the latest geometry dash build and an account. Once you have that, open the level browser and locate the Gatekeeper challenge. Start in practice mode, place checkpoints as you learn tricky segments, and warm up on similar timing patterns. Focus on consistent inputs. Practice until you can clear the longest combo without pause. Once done, switch out of practice only when you can repeat the segment cleanly 3 times, because that repetition builds the precision required to actually get the Gatekeeper. Now you perform the complete run to unlock Gatekeeper. Start by lining up your timing on the first major obstacle, then flow through the mid-sequence without overcorrecting. Small adjustments cost progress. Keep inputs crisp and watch for visual cues that signal jumps or portals, because anticipating controls beats reaction. If you miss, analyze the exact frame you failed and rehearse that micro-segment in practice mode. Once you string the full sequence cleanly, prepare mentally for the verification run to actually claim the reward. Finish by completing the verification run with no practice checkpoints. You must clear the level legitimately to receive the Gatekeeper. After the win, check your icon inventory, make sure it registered. If it didn't, restart the game and confirm you were online. If problems persist, verify game version and that no account restrictions apply. As a key troubleshooting tip, record your successful run. If the unlock still fails, share that clip with the community or support to diagnose whether it was a client-side sync issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.